Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to translate the menu on the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to your home page and then you should select the restaurant from which you would like to order or check out the menu. Tap on Discovery, Restaurants or the search bar. Select the restaurant you are interested in. Scroll down and here you can find this light blue box in the middle of the screen. This menu is in Hungarian. Would you like to try a machine translation into another language? Tap on Translate and here you can see the 3 languages you can choose from. Tap on the relevant one and here you can see that it has been translated to your target language, so you can check it out, and if you want to you can display it in the original language by tapping on the Show Original button so that it will be restored to the original version. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.